Babe, what do you want to watch?
How about that 1313 video?
Okay.
Those stupid UFO shit.
Okay.
You're filming Netflix?
No, I'm just bored.
My back hurts.
Why don't you take a bath?
Nah, I got it.
What the fuck are you doing?
Oh, this is what the doctor showed me. To take care of the kinks in my back. Make me feel all comfortable.
Babe. It looks really weird.
How? Oh, that looks good. Okay. I'm better now.